Hey guys, Terry here. I've not filmed for the last couple of days, simply because I haven't been anywhere that I haven't taken you before, so it's pointless to keep putting videos of the same place. No point. I have just been down Kamikaze Beach in Northumberland, just to do a little bit of a drone video, and I'll link that footage in the description down below. So get a watch of that, because I'm going to upload that tonight. I'm going to get in the house. As you can see, I've got a hat, jacket, everything on, because it is freezing tonight. So like I say, I'll link that in the description down below. Upload that one tonight, and tomorrow, if the weather permits, I may just take you on the bike. I'm saying tomorrow, that'll be today for you, which was, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Hello and welcome back. Today's Thursday. I promised you a ride out on the bike, and that's exactly what you got. Hope you've all enjoyed it. Nothing too crazy, nothing fast. Just a little ride up to Hadrian's Wall. I was going to go to Sycamore Gap, but it's way over there, and the field is full of cows, and I don't want to be stampeded. But this is my bike. It's a Yamaha R1 4C8. It's a 2009 registered bike. It's the last of the inline 4s. And in my opinion, the best R1. That wasn't Sycamore Gap where I was at. That's Sycamore Gap. So anyhow, as you can see, National Trust property. public footpath, and I started walking towards Sycamore Gap, and a big angry bull decided to stand up in front of me. So Mr. Farmer, that's naughty putting angry bulls on a public footpath to stop people crossing. You're going to get somebody killed. He nearly got me killed. So anyhow, if you can see it, I don't think you can. That's Sycamore Gap. It's called that because there's a gap in Hadrian's Wall, and it's a big sycamore tree. Now that tree is a very famous tree. It's the most photographed tree. Wait, this car goes past. It's the most photographed tree in the UK, if not Europe, possibly the world. It featured in a scene of Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, with what's he called? Morgan Freeman and Kevin Costner. So, famous tree, nearly got to show you. A naughty farmer putting an angry bull in there to stop people getting there. Not nice. Public footpath. Oh man, just had to stop. I've just been hit by a kamikaze bird. Little sparrow, took off, headed straight for me, boom, straight into the fairings. Luckily no damage, but I'm going to have to scrape what's left, and it's censored. See you at home. Well, back home now guys. I forgot to mention earlier, luckily I decided to take my carbon fibre lid with me today, my helmet, because this one, see all that dust in there? A wasp decided to build a nest in there, so I had to pull the wasp out and the nest, and that would be interesting. Emma's given me this mystery Fanta. Apparently it looks the same as normal Fanta, but it comes in 3 different flavours. I've got to try and guess. Are you having a go? No?
Maybe.
Smells like bubblegum. I think it's bubblegum. I think. Does it tell you what any of the 3 flavours are?
I'm not sure, I just eat it, is it? Is it really bubblegum?
I think it's bubblegum. I'll try.
Oh, no. I got a kiwi kick. Or is it melon?
Not very good,
Might
are we?
be melon. I don't get a bubblegum now. My whoa, whoops.
Just spilled it. It smells like...
It first tasted like it, but then I
like
got
bubblegum.
a bit like it, but then I got a melon, like a melon or a kiwi. Me no know.
Don't know. Chinese time. Thanks for watching. It's now hot tub time. I've done my job. Now it's time for you to do your job. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye now.